Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today. Hey folks, today we're going to give you a little bit of review on these stump grinder green teeth that I switched over to. You may have saw the video where I switched this Power King 14 horse stump grinder over from the factory teeth that come with it over to the green teeth. Okay, bring the camera right on down here, and I want to let you guys know that we done 2 jobs this past week, and we cut about 14 stumps on these green teeth. Okay, and this thing was cutting very good. I'm very impressed with the way they cut. So we're going to go ahead and examine exactly what they look like right now. It's kind of hard to tell, but this tooth here is definitely worn on this edge. Okay, but there's still a sharp edge right here. Okay, and I'm gonna go and flip them around. None of them were actually chipped off, but they are worn. Like right there, you can see that corner of that right there is definitely worn. All right, this one here is worn. All right, and right here we got some wear as well. So we definitely got wear from all the work that we done. And between day 1 and day 2 this week, we actually rotated these 1/3 of a turn, because remember, the green teeth are made to where you can actually turn them 3 times before you need to worry about replacing them or sharpening them. So what I'm going to show you here today, guys, I'm going to go ahead and flip all these 1/3 of a turn. I'm going to show you how I do that. It's pretty easy. All I use is a ratchet wrench and a little brass hammer. I'm going to show you how we do this right quick. So stay tuned. We'll show you that, and we'll keep talking about how great these things are and how I'm very impressed with them. Okay folks, we're going to go ahead and switch all 8 of these green teeth. Okay, and what we're going to do is turn them all 1/3 of a turn. So let's start with the first one. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have figured out that going 6 little movements like that is all you need to get it to where it comes out of the seat. And I'm going to turn this tooth 1/3 of a turn until it grabs into the new seat. Okay, and then I'll flip our wrench back, and we'll just tighten him back up. And that seems to work perfect right there. That's why I counted them off for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You don't have to go no further than that. Go ahead and smack it with the hammer 1 time, and then turn it. Did I get it turned 1/3 of a turn? Let's see. No, I did not. I'm sorry. There we go. Now we're on a new cutting surface right there. Okay, so now we've moved 2 of them. I'm gonna go ahead and just keep it going in the rotation that it normally goes, so I don't get confused. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll go ahead and loosen both of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll smack this one. Turn it 1/3 of a turn. Maybe I didn't get it off there quite enough. Well, there we go. I don't know what was so hard about that. I was making it harder than it needed to be. Okay, we'll smack this one. We'll turn him 1/3 of a turn. I think I need to back it off just a little bit more. Okay. There we go. I think that's what my problem was. I wasn't backing it off quite enough. And let's keep going in the rotation of the wheel. You can see how that one's definitely worn that edge right there. I'm going to talk about that here in just a little bit. 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn that 1/3 of a turn. Smack this one. There we go. That was the problem I had on that other. I wasn't quite turning it, backing them off quite enough. And we're getting there. As you see, guys, this don't take that long. This is something you can do real quick and easy on the job site. And I think that is another big benefit of these green teeth. Okay. All right, got that one turned. Okay, that's all of them, right? Right, camera person? Are
Yes.
you keeping track of that?
Yes.
All right, good. Okay, so guys, you can see how quick and easy that was. If you were at the job site, you could definitely switch those pretty fast, okay? Now look at here, we still got one more cutting surface on these left to go. And they're looking pretty good. And I'm gonna go get a brand new tooth here, and I wanna show you exactly what these look like. And they all look good. So we definitely got one more good cutting surface left on these to go cut more stumps, okay? So I'm very tickled to death with the performance of these. Like I said, the factory teeth that come on this thing actually cost about $200. I said $185, but I actually saw on the website, they're actually $200 a set, okay? Now these green teeth, you can buy a conversion kit, which is the pockets and the teeth and the hardware for $150, okay? And I'll put some links down below. You can get them off of Amazon. You can get them off of Ford's, F-O-A-R-D website. They sell them as well. And after that, all you gotta do is buy these teeth. Hang tight, let me go grab a tooth right quick and show you people what just the tooth looks like when you get it. Okay folks, here is a brand new set of teeth. This is 8 teeth in here. I paid about $75 for these brand new teeth. And you can see they got the nice taper going out. You notice a couple of mine actually has worn that edge back in. So I will not probably run these. You know, you can actually resharpen them, okay? I don't have the stuff to do it yet, but I'm probably gonna order a grinding stone to where you can sharpen this carbide, and you grind it into a convex shape here, okay? That's what gives you your little edge here. But like this one tooth here that had the whole side worn down, I'll probably just throw those away when they get real bad. Because if you wear it too far, then you're going to start wearing on your pocket. Because I noticed on a couple of mine here that actually it was wearing, like right there, you can see it's getting kind of shiny right there on the pocket. When you wear the tooth down so far, then you're just going to rub on the pocket all the time. You're eventually probably going to rub your pockets and have to replace them more frequently, okay? So these here, this set of teeth right here, I think costs about 75 bucks. And I'm okay with the mileage that I'm going to get out of a set of these teeth here, because a set of these teeth are probably going to make me, you know, $1,500, maybe more, $2,000 in stumps that I get to cut with this set of teeth. So this is definitely a lot more cost effective than running the factory teeth that come on these units here. So I just wanted to bring that to everybody's attention. If you do have one of these Power Kings and you got the wheel that is easily adaptable to put the green teeth on there, definitely do it, okay? It's definitely going to be more cost effective, and they really cut good. These things here, this thing was cutting really good the other day. I was very tickled. We done a stump that's about over 36 inches in diameter on the long side of it. And I'm gonna add some clips of us cutting that stump onto the tail end of this little review, and you can check it out. So I'm definitely tickled to death with them. We're gonna go with green teeth from here on out, okay? That's what we're gonna go with. And we love this little Power King stump grinder here, so much so that I ordered another one today. I got a brand new one coming. We're gonna have 2 of these, and so if we have jobs where we have multiple stumps, me and my son both can actually be running one of these units. And even if we don't, we'll just always have one as a backup. But I like the machine. Now that I've figured out a few things on it, I've made a couple of my own upgrades, like the wheel and everything over here, to make it easy loading into the back of the pickup truck. And we beefed up the hardware that holds the cover on. We're just, I'm gonna keep on running with these things here for a while until we buy our bigger unit. But just wanted to bring this to your attention today, guys, and give you my opinion of the green teeth. And I love them. That's what we're gonna roll with here from here on out. So have a wonderful day. Don't forget to keep on watching that video coverage I'm gonna add to the end of this video. And hope you enjoy that coverage. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend about us. We might have a few links down below for some green teeth. So check down below in the description. We'll see you next time. Take care.